Brother Abi Omanye de Omanye won penye kemba TV Africa Omanye aba ne fie mo no ngbaji ni tete ablo mene na egbewo yo wo osu abosha o kanshan kadigbo kadi amuafo je wodomo e se ko chon ni oklemekuku ni ji te no wewuku nupa e ka ni te no jimo ni ke Mantse yili bosu ni wo e to Mantse ye to no we e ba to le je musunbi e ba to le Mantse na gbe mi e bi no wa hele se bi an ehun ni noti adumwa niji osu osi ayini lewe ke osu owewe bi ekume fe ekume ke jasifo ni ojume fe ekume amehu ameto osu Mantse ekrokokura ye klenklen no ni ato niji ni noti botwe atole osu Mantse brother bi te afele penso afele bleu brother bi nyeba nyi ose bia bi no kenya osu abusha kadigbo o kansan kadi amuafo nyenyanse o ba hwe fa yi sinogoma ta nyawo ta o mane aba yaso o ame jaswa yose o ame
Ghana space. Professor don't touch me. Professor don't.
Not because there's a problem, but it is because they had wanted to install that of their choice of Mantse. So we realize that this is impossible. The fact that they have broken the peace accord and they want to do their own thing, then we also have to come back. So we left the unity talks. But within the Owuo, we all know those that are the truthful or the main, clan, or those that qualifies to be the Osu Mantse. So me, myself, and the Atufuche, we also consulted them and we asked them to bring their candidates. Of course, they brought the candidate we are seeing now, and it's called Professor Nii Okwei Kinka Dorwuona. We vetted him. We realized that yes, he's from the house. He's a native of Owuo. They're all standard, except that he's not living in the house. And living in one house does not make you a member, or does not make you an indigene of the house. That is not enough. The man's father was born, bred in that house before they all left, build their houses like me and all of you here, and left with their children to stay wherever. Does it mean they are no longer from the house? So today, we have gotten Nii Okwei Kinka Dorwuona, Professor Nii Okwei Kinka Dorwuona. He is here in this house today. His process or initiation of instruments has started today. It will continue till a certain few days. We're going to complete that of the instrument. And he is appointed one. He is going to be the Osu Mantse very soon. The Osu Mantse elect. He is over there. And sooner, he will be the full-fledged Osu Mantse.
Àwọn pleno gbígbóná ní nànkẹ́ bá lè o. Àwọn pleno gbígbóná ní nànkẹ́ bá tó. Àwọn pleno gbígbóná ní nànkẹ́ bá lè. Àwọn pleno gbígbóná ní nànkẹ́ bá lè. Àwọn pleno wọ́n náà kò yẹ gáyé. Onye akwụkwọ alejugba koni nofe no afia ojugba. Wo hemo ke ilike ogbe pamo jake. Osu ajo nofe no afi jogban ya osu ngba ji ni tete ablo ne ke hia kra mo jiro